Hey guys, here is official treasure OnePlus AC3 aka OnePlus 12R, and this is the first look OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus AC3, and the phone comes with beautiful three color, golden, blue and black color. OnePlus all set to launch next smartphone OnePlus 12R aka OnePlus AC3 next month. The phone launched in China 4 January and globally launched in India 23 January 2024. OnePlus 12 aka OnePlus AC3 comes with 6.78 inch 1.5K resolution BOE-X1 OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and the phone also comes with 4500 nits peak brightness like OnePlus 12, so that is very interesting. And the phone comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC with Adreno 740 GPU with LPDDR5X RAM up to 24GB and LPDDR4X RAM storage with 1TB storage, and of course out of the box the phone running Android 14 with ColorOS 14. OnePlus 12R also comes with triple camera setup in the back, 50MP Sony IMX890 main camera plus OIS, 8MP ultra wide and 32MP telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom with Sony IMX709, and the front is also come with 32MP selfie camera. In the battery department, the phone also comes with a bigger battery more than OnePlus 12. The phone comes with 5500 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. The phone also comes with IP64 rating, studio speaker, in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.